In this video, we are assembling the cross easel card. And I've got the base here for my card. You just fold it in half. And the front piece is the one that has this extra score line on the bottom quarter. And you are going to fold that in like that. You're going to put some foam tape on your frame here at the bottom. You have plenty of room here for a message. And you just want to line this up close to the bottom, and this will tuck right behind it. So let's assemble the card. Okay, this piece here is the center of our frame. And then we have our cross. Now these pieces here, the cloth for the back is going to line up on the back side. It's going to line up to the top just like that. And the same for the other side. And then the top piece, find my small foam circles. I'm going to put them just like this. Okay, and then I am also going to pop the cross. Just enough so that the card doesn't get squished down when it's in the envelope. And I think after this one more here at the top. Okay. And then I'm just going to center it. There we are. Okay, That's nice. Now you're going to put glue on this bottom part. And we're going to glue this. You're going to line this up just to the bottom and the sides. And this is our card closed and then open. It just tucks right behind this frame here. And that is the Cross Easel card. Thank you for joining me.